Alright, we're gonna go for a ride. Test this to step out. See how it does. Well, I know how it does. I've already tested it. I found it to be pretty snotty sounding. We've got our tuner studio launched up so that we can see what our air-fuel ratio and all of our other analytics are doing. I've got to go through the warm-up cycle, which I haven't gotten figured out completely. I still got some rough spots in the warm-up idle enrichments. Alright, launch control is active though. So I'm idling at 12.0, 11.9 AFR, which is fat, which is what we want when we're trying to warm up. It's not that it's cold, it's like 95 degrees, but the car is set and it's ambient at 88 degrees. So it might buck and jerk a little bit until it gets into its warm-up cycle done. Right, kids in the neighborhood playing ball. Another thing about this neighborhood, kids are outstanding.
I feel like a boy.
Didn't say it enough. I really like her kids, this neighborhood. So I always put out of the developer. I don't want to run any of the little ones over. I had that on my conscience for a billion years. I just couldn't live with myself knowing I hurt a little. Geese aren't included in that enumeration though. Damn things. I don't see why they're federally protected. There's so many of them and they make such a huge mess. Come out of your front porch and you got goose shit all over the place. And I'll tell you something about geese. Get yourself a green laser. If you got a goose problem around your house, don't point it in your eyes because you don't want to maim them. But man, they can't stand that green laser hitting them on the tail. They will scatter like what? All right, got some bumping here, but we're going to try to get it warmed up on a minute. By the time we get up here to the red light, we should get down to about 160 degrees where the enrichment is done. But you should be good to go. Yeah, and the lane spot's just at the point of tipping. I can't even call it a lane spot. It just might be too rich at the tip, and I'll have to get that sorted out because, like I've said all along, this tuning thing is all new to me. I've almost got this thing on a razor's edge. It looks really, well, I shouldn't say looks, but it feels really good. And I'm watching the AFR tables and the logs, so I'm not grenading the motor by knocking and causing all kinds of chaos because I'm too lean and burning up pistons. Alright, we're up to 160 already. see these kindles were creaky. They will take a curb, boy. And I've got the rear coilovers off the car, and I've raised it, and it's all the way around. So we've got drag springs in the back with the QA1 double adjustable drag shocks in the back. I still have the QA1 coilovers in the front. And I don't have the weight transfer. It doesn't lift the way I want. But all that time, we'll get there. Right now, the car does seem to be working. It seems to be working pretty good.
ECU online. Fuel system pressurized. Loading tune file. Buckle up. And for God's sakes, shut up. Billy vow to put in some work.
So I came through here yesterday, set it up onto two-step, which I now set it like 4200, and I launched it right about here just to see how hard it would turn the tires. We're going to do it again. Two-step engaged. Yeah, these tires, man, they don't take shit for them to look. I mean, they turned about 20 feet, that was it. And two-step sounds pretty obnoxious. So we're kind of liking that. So I did this last night. Somehow I boogered up the camera and I couldn't download my video. I'm still an amateur to this whole YouTube thing. We're gonna get it sorted out. I haven't gotten my wireless mic thing for the GoPro yet, but that's coming. I say it was hot today. Holy jeez.
Welcome to the future.
East West.